guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I have my espresso, got my NVIDIA CEO leather jacket on, ladies and gents. Let's have a sip of this. Very, very nice. Let's have a look at some topics today that we're going to be discussing. This is a very bullish update from Ripple and the XRP Ledger. Real world asset tokenization is coming, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be absolutely massive. We've got some updates in relation to a potential breakout amid the legal debacle with the SEC as well. Some positivity coming out of that. Van Eck putting out some pretty crazy price predictions for Bitcoin. Mind-blowing stuff right here. We've got stock market rally. Obviously, there's a holiday in the United States going on at the moment, but $250 billion in daily volume, which is huge. Bitcoin, again, the outflows. The ETFs have had significant outflows. Ethereum has had significant outflows. The SEC challenging Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX's bankruptcy plan. Of course, we've got a trader that's putting out some bullish updates in relation to a full send for a crypto rally. And, of course, there's been a lot of Bitcoin and crypto millionaires over the last year. We're going to get into that, ladies and gents, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely freaking rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab this morning. $100 billion asset manager Van Eck has predicted that Bitcoin could reach, no word of a lie, $2.9 million per coin by 2050. I mean, let me know in the comments what you think about that. That is extremely bullish. I think anything is possible, just putting that out there. I mean, obviously with currencies collapsing all over the place, economic uncertainty, the cost of living, it's literally the only finite asset there is that we basically know apart from gold. There's only 21 million in existence, guys. And again, if the United States has a Bitcoin, treasury, so to speak, they're going to be buying up all that's left in circulation. So keep that one in mind. Top altcoins this morning. Reef is up, which is nice. We have Loopring, TLM, Alien Worlds, great game. We've got Harmony 1 and CKB Nervos, however you say it. Let me know in the comments. Network right there, right? So they're the top altcoins. Going to coin market cap, we've got 2.07 trillion today, $57 billion in volume, 56% Bitcoin dominance, 47 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin's currently trading at 59,282 US dollars this morning in Australia. It's up 3.19%. And yes, it is a holiday in the United States, so the market is going to be picking up tonight. Ethereum's at 2,533, which is interesting, up 3.7. Solana's back up as well, $134. XRP still undervalued, guys, at 56 cents. I'm incredibly bullish on it. I know the utility of it. I know exactly where it's going in the future. Very, very bullish project, of course, one of my faves. Doge is at 9 cents. Let me know in the comments if anyone's actually holding Dogecoin. Again, Elon Musk has remained quite, silent on Dogecoin. But I think big things are coming for that. So I'm still holding on to mine. Cardano's at 33 cents. AVAX, $22. Shiba Inu, I'm still holding that up 3%. Everything's up 3% today. Chainlink is at $10. I'm bullish on that. Polkadot, $4.22. Litecoin, $65. We've got ICP, $7.54. I was dollar cost averaging at 140 Australian dollars at that one. Let that one sink in for a moment. XLM is at 9 cents. Sui's at 78 cents. We have Hedera at 5 cents. VeChain doing nothing, pain in the ass. I've been holding this for a long time. I'm bullish on the project at 2 cents. Keep scrolling down. We have ALGOs at 12 cents as well. Say is another one I'm bullish on at 28 cents. Keep scrolling down. Quant is at 63 US dollars. up 4.3%. I'm still holding on to my Quant. Axe Infinity, $4.67. I'm still looking for a place to stake that to earn that high yield. I'm not sure what's going on with that. There's been so many changes and developments in the crypto world every single month. It's wild, but I'll find one eventually. Neo's at $9.83. I love Neo. Long-term hold. Gala's at 1 cent. WorldCoin $1.48. Ethereum name service at $17.64. I am looking to add this to the portfolio. Let me know in the comments if you do hold ENS. I'm curious about that. Scrolling down, XDC is an absolute gem at 2 cents in my opinion. And of course we have Reef and Casper as well, which some other gems, and of course XYO. There's so many projects that I'm bullish on. And yes, I have a very diversified portfolio. If you want access to that, join the Wall Street Boy University. It is linked below, guys. This is my incredible Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, you name it. It all goes up in here. Also my dividend investing, which again, I made a significant change in the portfolio. And that's generating weekly cash flow. Now, for those of you in the dividend world, I'm sure you've heard about this particular stock, but it's all in the Wall Street Boy University. So go check that out. Join up. There's a free version to this and a paid one. I don't care. Just join up. And if you are a paid member, thank you very much. It goes a long way to helping support my channel and, of course, everything that we're doing to generate that cash flow. So thank you very much. I really appreciate every single one of you. Having a look at crypto bubbles today. It's going to be a quick video. We've got a sea of green. Very, very nice to see that. Audi is the biggest gainer, up 19.2%. I do not hold Audi. These names are quite funny. We've got BSV as well, up 8% today. Big gainer. I do trade that. We have Say as well, 6.5% on the day. It's up 130% this year. That is crazy when you think about that. The average return in the S&P 500 is between, 10 to 12 on a good year, if not higher. Sometimes the average is gained about 8 to 10, I'd say, safely in the S&P 500. Sats up 13.5%. I do not hold this. We do have Whiff, Dog Whiff Hat. What a stupid name. Meme coins up 10.4% today as well. So there you go. Also, when you do look at these, go to the year. Solana's up 566%. Helium 388 and Fetch AI 397. It's still crazy when you think about that. Now, quickly, let's get into the news because this is bullish, guys. I wanted to get a video in early for this one. But Ripple launching a new token on the XRP Ledger. This is bullish news, all right? We've got Ripple's head of DeFi product recently, Jasmine, discussed that these advancements in the podcast, highlighting a new token type called multi-purpose tokens, or MPTs. Cooper explained that MPTs are specifically designed for real-world assets, or RWAs. This is bullish, enabling the storage of metadata directly with the asset. The integration enhances the scalability and flexibility of the XRP Ledger, making it more suitable for institutional use cases and lowering the barrier to entry for these organizations. Her comments have garnered significant attention, of course, from all the legends in the XRP army. And again, multi-purpose tokens launching very, very soon. The MTPs basically is a key component of Ripple's broader strategy to establish comprehensive institutional decentralized finance ecosystem on the XRP Ledger. The ecosystem aims to facilitate a range of functions, including asset issuance, value transfer, exchange, and credit, while prioritizing security and regulatory compliance. Of course, they need to do that because Gary Gensler is going to be up their ass. Just saying. In May, Ripple published a report, Building Blocks for Institutional Decentralized Finance, or DeFi, on the XRP Ledger, which previewed the launch of MPT standard in Q3 this year. Quarter 3, right? 4 quarters in the year. According to the reports, MPTs will bring a new level of functionality and flexibility to the XRP Ledger. Now, again, will enable establishment to intricate token system that can represent various assets and rights through the use of metadata. This is huge in the world of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and real-world asset tokenization. I can't wait for even like real estate to be on the XRP Ledger. Gold, diamonds, who not, like every asset, even more importantly, the stocks. That's going to be huge as well, tokenizing stocks from Wall Street. That's going to be bullish. But anyway, there are potentials for a Ripple breakout or XRP breakout amid the legal, developments, which is bullish. Ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC has created a pivotal moment for the XRP in its market. And the XRP price recently failed to break a key resistance level and remains in a sideways range, which I like because it allows me to dollar cost average, just putting that out there. Potential breakout from the current technical pattern could drive XRP prices higher. And again, for those TA heads out there, we all love a little bit of technical analysis. I mean, really, when you think about it, I don't really use technical analysis apart from an RSI indicator, a MACD. That's about it, right? That's all I need really is the RSI indicator to trade. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. If you haven't done that, go and have a look at what an RSI indicator is. That's pretty much all I need to trade anyway. Just putting that out there. But anyway, bullish hammer for July is still valid and the price is consolidating in a range-bound manner. There you go right there. Let's see where it goes. I'm not really worried about TA. I'm just worried about accumulation, all right? Van Eck seeing, Bitcoin hitting $2.9 million by 2050. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. But a lot has to happen first, of course. 2050, Bitcoin may settle 10% of international trade, 5% of local trade gain with central banks, holding it as a reserve asset, which is, again, huge. If the United States does this, which I'm assuming they will, it'll be very controlled by the US government. And again, they want control. Every government wants control of our money. So there you go. If they hold Bitcoin in the reserves, what do you think is going to happen? Of course. Now, Bitcoin Layer 2 networks will play a key role in the overcome scaling issues and allow Bitcoin to be used as a medium of exchange, the firm said. This is Van Eck. There are risks for Bitcoin's growth, including rising power demand, concentrated government crackdowns, of course, and the competition with other digital assets. So let's see where this goes. Stock market rally, again, is a holiday in the United States, but adds 250 billion daily as S&P 500 bounces back from August lows. I'm just in a dividend investor, guys, so I'm not really worried about the price of my stocks. I'm just worried about that monthly income. Join the Wall Street Bull University. You'll see all of that. We've got the stock market's benchmark index. The S&P 500 has added more than $5 trillion to its market cap in just 20 days, recording about $250 billion of inflows per trading day after hitting a low on August 5th and translated into annual return in just that period, which is massive. So for those stock heads out there, we do have Bitcoin. Again, there's been a lot of, digital outflows as well. And that's partly because of the US economic data. There's a lot of uncertainty around the world with this election coming up very soon. Let's see where this is going to go. The SEC is at it again, challenging FTX's bankruptcy plan. I think they should just return all that money to investors of FTX that still have lost everything. It's very annoying. The SEC raises objections to FTX's bankruptcy plan, citing legal concerns and reserving the right to challenge it if changes aren't made. They just keep consistently causing problems. There is a trader, again, stating when a full send of the crypto market will happen. And basically, it's a very interesting article right here. Scrolling down, personally, I'm bullish going into late Q4 of 2024 this year. But until that time, I honestly have no idea. Still expecting some chop from September to October, standard around this time, and some fake outs in November. Full send by December and January 2024. So that's basically what he's saying. Ethereum is the only good thing I see about this chart is that the price is about to hit a high volume node around 2,200 to 2,400 level. Everything else is just about ETH is meh. I agree. But I agree, once we get over this election, coming into December, January, this is when the peak of the bull market's going to happen. Again, mid-2025, we could start to see, some serious stuff happening in the market. That is when you need to take profits, right? Not financial advice. Yes, Bitcoin millionaires have increased significantly, 110% in 1 year amid a market surge. According to Crypto Wealth Report 2024 by Henley and Partners, the number of individuals holding over $1 million in digital assets has soared by 95% to 172,300 people. That is bullish. Congratulations to all, basically all of you. Let's have a look at the inflow of where the money's going today if this freaking website wants to load. Gonna have a sip of coffee. Solana, BNB, Aave, AVAX, Pepe. We have Arbitrum, and again, Bonk, some meme coins right here. Having a quick look at X. Let's get onto here. And thank you to those 6,630 people. I really appreciate that. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 26 today. I'm not really worried about that. Every bank will basically use XRP by 2025. Have a listen to this. This is the CEO of Japan's leading bank has just confirmed it. Have a listen to this.
Increase digital payments, and the government encourage banks to innovate so that they can increase digital payments ratio. So now what we are doing in Japan is we created a consortium of more than 50 banks to come together to develop a completely new payments platform or infrastructure powered by Ripple's distributed ledger technology. which basically replaced the existing domestic payments system called the Zengin system. It also can be applied for cross-border payments as well.
And that contrasts with Zelle, which is a fantastic enterprise.
Exactly.
It's built on the
100%. And pretty much, guys, that is it for the news today. And again, let me know in the comments what you think about Bitcoin hitting $2.9 million by 2050. I'm curious about that. That is it. I'll speak to everybody soon. Tomorrow, make sure you join the Wall Street Bull University. Take care, guys. Peace out. Bye.